Welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We've been coming to you live from Nasdaq's booth 427 at the 34th Annual Futures and Options Expo in Chicago. Joining me for this segment, we have Sean Brown. He is the CEO and President of Ycharts. We're going to focus on democratizing investment research. Sean, thank you so much for joining me on set. It seems to be a key theme this year. FIA is democratizing research and making it more available for all. Tell us about Ycharts and who uses your services.
Yeah, I think we saw an opening in the market between the very, very expensive solutions, the Bloombergs and Thomson Reuters, and then the free solutions, Yahoo Finance, Google Finance. And we said the middle ground is the right place to be. People need information, they need tools, they need really, really valuable data, but they need it at a reasonable price. So our value proposition is the capabilities of the massive 300-pound, 800-pound gorillas at 20% of the price.
What are some of the common pain points that you hear from asset managers? Prop traders is another big one, hedge funds and so forth.
It's really understanding their portfolios, understanding the right way to make sure they're diversified in a very volatile market climate. So everybody needs to know detailed information on trends, on exposure to sectors, on exposures to geographies. And we think that's only possible if you have the right data and some very, very easy to use tools. And you don't need to have a PhD in algorithmic trading, nor the budget coming from.
I was going to say, I'm sure that's a cost as well, particularly if you're a prop shop or a smaller hedge fund, to have multiple $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 investment platform. It's too costly.
Listen, it's tough enough to make a profit in the market nowadays. Right. Trading, everybody's looking at their bottom line and saying, where can I get more leverage? I can't afford that $20,000 solution anymore. Mm-hmm. How can I get all that power at 20% the price so that I can spend that money on things that are going to help grow my business?
And I would imagine that fintech is really what's driving these solutions.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think fintech has always been ripe for modernization, and also there's such an imperative to, especially when the market gets a little shaky. When it's going up, nobody's questioning costs. When it starts to get shaky, people start to look at costs.
Right. Well, I'm sure that last week it was an opportune time to for sure.
Absolutely, absolutely. And our main customers are the retail investors. We see a ton of wealth advisors, a ton of asset managers, every single one of them saying, I want to make smarter investment decisions, and I need to do it at a reasonable price.
Well, you are definitely filling a niche in the market because I hear about this all the time. Thank you so much for joining us on set.
Thanks for having me, Jill.
And thank you for joining me at FIA Expo. We'll be continuing live throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino.